Go home happy with the 2019 Nissan Versa. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This sprightly Versa offers a host of features to keep you secure, comfortable, and connected. From impressive standard driver assist tech to an upscale cabin and touchscreen infotainment, this clever compact is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Don't miss the chance to drive this safe and stylish Versa. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.